By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of how to progress in your calisthenics skills, taking your home workouts to the next level. But before we dive in, upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Calisthenics is a fantastic way to build strength, flexibility, and endurance using just your body weight. Whether you're a beginner or looking to master advanced skills, a structured progression plan can help you achieve your goals. Introduction to Calisthenics Skills Progression. Calisthenics Skills Progression is all about starting from the basics and gradually increasing the complexity of your exercises. This method ensures that your muscles, joints, and tendons develop the necessary strength and stability to handle more challenging movements. Visual demonstrations. Push-up progression. Knee push-ups. Begin with knee push-ups to build foundational strength in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Standard push-ups. Once you can do 15 to 20 knee push-ups with good form, progress to standard push-ups. Decline push-ups. Elevate your feet on a stable surface to increase the difficulty and target your upper chest. Pull-up progression. Australian pull-ups. Use a bar at waist height to perform pull-ups with your feet on the ground, building your back and bicep strength. Negative pull-ups. Jump or use a step to get your chin over the bar, then slowly lower yourself down. Full pull-ups. Aim for full pull-ups. Once you can perform 8 to 10 negative pull-ups with control. Squat progression. Bodyweight squats. Start with bodyweight squats to ensure proper form and build leg strength. Goblet squats. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell close to your chest to add resistance. Plank. Begin with a plank, focusing on keeping a straight line from your head to your heels. Mountain climbers. Add dynamic movement with mountain climbers, engaging your core and improving cardio. L-sit. Progress to the L-sit, a challenging exercise that targets your entire core and hip flexors. Story. Imagine your body as a machine. Each component needs to be finely tuned to work harmoniously. When you start with basic calisthenics exercises, you're laying the groundwork, like building a strong foundation for a house. As you progress, each new skill you master is like adding another floor to your building. The result: by following this structured progression, you'll steadily enhance your calisthenics skills. Remember, consistency and patience are key. Celebrate small victories along the way, and don't rush the process.